In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an Outlook meeting directly in Zoom. By the end, you'll be able to create a Zoom meeting without leaving Outlook, add the conferencing details in one click, and send a polished invite to your attendees. First, you'll need the Zoom integration for Outlook. The recommended option is the Zoom for Outlook add-in, which you can get from the Microsoft App Source or the Get Add-ins button inside Outlook. It's the modern, cloud-based method and works on Windows, Mac, and Outlook on the web. If you're using an older desktop version of Outlook, the legacy Zoom Outlook plugin is still available. Install whichever your organization supports. If you don't see Zoom after installing, open Outlook, go to File, Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom, use the Manage drop-down to open your add-ins list and enable the Zoom add-in or plugin. A quick restart of Outlook can help it appear in the ribbon. If you're on a managed work device, you may need your IT team to approve or deploy the add-in. Now let's create the meeting. In Outlook, switch to your calendar and click New Meeting. You can also use New Appointment, but New Meeting is best when you plan to invite others. Add a clear title, pick the date and time, and include your attendees. Taking a moment to confirm time zones here helps avoid scheduling conflicts later. Next, add the Zoom details. Look for the Zoom section in the Outlook ribbon. Click Add a Zoom Meeting. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Zoom account, so Outlook can insert the meeting information for you. You'll see the Zoom link and joining details appear right in the body of the invite. If you want to fine-tune settings before sending, select Settings in the Zoom section. Here you can choose whether host or participant video starts on, enable or disable a passcode as required by your account, decide on audio options, and apply features like waiting room. The add-in respects your Zoom defaults, so most people can leave these as is, but it's nice to adjust them when needed. Finally, finish your Outlook invite. Add your agenda or notes in the description, verify your attendees, and click Send. Outlook delivers the invite with the Zoom link included. If you later change the time or participants, just update the Outlook meeting. The Zoom details stay linked, and your attendees receive the revised information automatically. That's it. Your Zoom meeting is scheduled directly from Outlook, fast, consistent, and ready for your team.